pushy girl, guys. So the reason why I back to my YouTube channel, I go by the name Konimaphalaphatwa. If you're new, please do subscribe, comment, like and share. And if you're coming back, I really appreciate it. Welcome back. I really appreciate it. As you guys saw by the title of the video, today I'll be talking about all the skin product that I've used on my face. Dituena Dove, Dituena Tea Tree, Dituena Gentle Magic, Dituena, hey, I've been there, baking powder. Yeah, so if you're interested, please watch this video. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I'll start by saying, if your skin is fine and you see an advert or something on Instagram that you're willing to try, don't, because one, you're wasting your money, one, you're risking with your skin. So please don't create problems when you don't have problems. So yeah guys, I'll start with this, the Freeman cleaning mask. This I'm still using, guys. If you're wondering my finger, I had to cut it because I couldn't enter, so we enter via what you call this, fingerprint, so I had to cut it. Anyways, so I still use this. This is very nice for my skin. When I am exfoliating, this is what I use to exfoliate. Sharp. Hey, nditwena pushy girl. More girl, pushy girl, guys. So the reason why I tried pushy girl is because I saw pushy girl trending everywhere and I was like, let me try it out. Plus at that point I was having problems with my skin because I'm a liker of things, guys. Before everything, my skin was fine and I was using Dove. Just because I'm growing up, I can see that my friends, my peers are using your Pond's, your what, Maratna. I'm still using Dove. What's wrong with me? At that time, my skin was pashash, perfect. Kina Konie, I want to explore. And guess what? My skin reacted in a bad way. And at that point, I started up googling things to use, and I started up using a lot of things, guys. Even now, I'm just going to go through everything that I've used, and I wasted my money and I ruined my skin, but now my skin is perfecto because hey, I finally found something. So yeah, pushy girl, as I said, I bought it because it was trending and it didn't work for me because at some point I was getting light, and some point when I used this, what you call this, the face wash, it was painful, man. I could feel that my skin is very uncomfortable. So I bought the face wash. Let me just put everything down. I bought the face wash. I also bought the Marula day cream and night cream, and I also bought the toner. Imagine how much is that, guys. And it didn't even work for me because I love things, I like things. So we're done with pushy girl. Pushy girl didn't work for me. I'm sure some people it does work for them, but for me, my skin, it's really, what can I say, I wouldn't say it's sensitive, but when I used it, it was itchy and uncomfortable. Yeah. So I left Pushy girl and I tried the tea tree, guys. I remember with this tea tree, guys, look, really, it's got to finishing. When I bought it from this other girl. She explained to me, okay, you have to use it the moment you feel that it's burning you, wash your face immediately, and then you must be patient. You must really be patient because it is going to peel you. But in this case, yeah, guys, it was peeling me for like a month, and I was pink. I had like spots. Imagine kadi shubab. I even bought this from, because she only had the face wash. She didn't have the cream. So I bought this from the Body Shop. I even go, guys, now when I buy something, when I use something, I Google every time. I go to YouTube, and you know these reviews, they will tell you, no, it worked for me within 2 weeks, my skin was glowing, hey, blah blah blah. Kai mo, kai, this it was too strong for my skin. It was too very strong for my skin. Ndithi wena, hey guys, baking soda. Guys, I've used baking soda on my face. I'm telling you, I've used baking soda on my face, and I did do research. So what happened was, I had dark spots and I wanted to remove it. Then I searched on YouTube. I saw this other girl was using it, and she was mixing it with Colgate. So you mix it with Colgate, like you make a paste, and then you rub it. Guys, when I tell you that my skin was tired, for all tired. Hey, hi, my skin. Bone, guys. Now we come to Calamine. I would use Calamine at night. I would apply Calamine. So I want to give a spook before I sleep, just because I had hyperpigmentation. So we know that Calamine does help with chicken pox. So I thought maybe it will help me, but it didn't. It didn't, or maybe it's because I was not patient enough. And here, Garnier. This I'm still using. I even had the charcoal one, but that one is finished because I love it, and it did help me, because I would exfoliate like three times a week. I would use it as a mask, and it really helped me, guys. So with this one, for me, is a yes. It's a yes. Celltone. Hey guys, I've been there. I've also used Celltone. So with Celltone, I used Celltone for my stretch marks. I had this hilarious stretch marks, and it really helped me between my thighs and on my hips. It really helped me. So I thought to myself, okay, let me use it on my face and see. And Ntohana, it did help me, because at the time that I was using tea tree, and I had like shubabas, and my skin was just painful. I used this, plus the oil is finished, plus the gel. It really repaired my skin. So with Celltone, it's a yes. Just know that Celltone is expensive. That's why I don't use it like, every day. So I use it once a while when I'm exfoliating my skin. Hey, did you wear Aloe Vera? This is the toner. I bought this from Miniso. If you know the store Miniso, both of this, I bought this from Miniso. Guys, like I think I was going through a phase of trying things, and people will be posting, oh, I'm glowing, oh, what. And when you ask someone, they will tell you, do you drink water? What? Darling, obviously I do drink water. Hey guys, people out there, but don't worry, because I got you. So with this, I think with this, I was not patient enough, and it was fine, man, because I remember this one. Yeah, it doesn't even have like a bad smell. So I think I was not patient enough, and I just wanted results. Pons. I would even say anything, guys. Like, I even regretted, or why ke rata dilo. So sometimes, why do I like things? Because I just created myself problems that I didn't even have, but because I like things. With Pons, I really don't have any comment. Hey, gentle magic. Yes, guys, when I tell you that I've tried everything, I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth, and I won't buy these things and then giddy. Even the oil, so this is they call it the lotion, but I used it as a toner, because I even had the soap, but I gave it to someone, and the oil. So with Gentle Magic, guys, it worked, ne? However, after working, I realized that I was becoming lighter. So that was my problem. Nekiba yellow bone. And I think I could buy yellow bone. You know, because you find yourself here, you yellow, here you brown, here you. But besides that, now I have my skin, I have different type of skin, but it's okay. So I was getting lighter, and I also realized that every time when I use the toner, it will be very uncomfortable and painful, and I would literally need a, you know, because it could it was really painful. That then I decided to, you know what, Konie, let's leave this and start from the bottom, from where you coming from. That's when I went back to Dove. And with Dove really helped me. I won't say anything negative about it. It really helped me. It really repaired my skin. However, I'm not using Dove right now. I found something that I'm using and it's really working for me. So just wait and see for my skincare routine, and you find out what I'm using right now, cause oh girl, even though my skin is not a very perfect skin, but from where I'm coming from, Charles, yeah, I'm glowing. And guys, please stop this tendency of asking someone when you meet someone, even if it's your friend. Stop asking, oh, what's going on with your skin, you should drink water, have you tried this already? It's uncomfortable for me to get out and face the world with my skin. So please, I'm asking, please stop it. It's not cool. Stop it. So with that said, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. You know, stop wasting your coins. If your skin is fine, stick to what you have, because these companies are still going to release a lot of things and you're still going to waste your money. So just stick with what you have, and then if it's giving you problems, then you can try something else. Because right now, if you see me, I'm trying what and you be like, oh, I also want to try it. At that time your skin is perfect. You're just creating yourself problems that you don't have. Anyhow, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And until next time, I love you. Mwah.